I like your reaction. It makes me want to strangle you.
Still the same old Chuya.
What's that mean?
I've always had a question I wanted to ask. Where exactly do you get all your tacky hats?
Say what you want, old snake. I bet you're still obsessing over committing suicide, aren't you?
Yup.
Oh, it's no fun if you don't even try to deny it. In any case, now you're just a pathetic prisoner. Makes you cry, doesn't it?
Something that you already had. But if you're too drunk to drive and the music is right, she might let you stay, but just for the night. And if she grabs her your hair and drags you along, she might wanna kiss before the end of the song. Because love can burn like a cigarette.
Fantastic freak you've ever seen. Did I make you scream?
Humiliating. Like, you're actually embarrassing. You're pathetic and weird, and you need to go to therapy. Like, something's wrong with your head, and there's no emotion.
Hey, what happened to your phone?
I'm saving the battery.
Saving the battery for what?
I might want to use the calculator. Anyway, we may as well get used to living in the dark.
Yeah.
What?
Well, it's just not that great, is it? I wouldn't mind looking at the house again, and maybe looking at you.
Really? You like looking at me?
Yeah. I suppose I do.
Well, I like looking at you too.
Yeah. Thanks for that.
I'm Jenny. I'm Sarah. She's Sarah. She's Jen. Been best friends forever. Well, since we were 10. Met at ballet class, and ever since then, we became inseparable. The damage was irreparable. Jen's like my sister, and Sarah's like mine. Friends till the end of the line.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that.
You lied to me. You deceived me.
You tried to deceive me.
I'm tired of listening to you.
You gave me your heart, you know. You'd like me to hand it back, whole again. But I won't. You live a long time yet, Catherine, an eternity without me. You will look into the faces of passers-by, hoping for something that will, for an instant, bring me back to you. You will find moonlit nights strangely empty, because when you call my name through them, there will be no answer. Always your heart will be aching for me, and your mind will give you the doubtful consolation that you did a brave thing.
You dare to talk of bravery.
What else do we have to talk about, Catherine?
Maybe because you're skinny, and maybe because you're pretty, you're used to getting away with things. But I want you to know that your actions have an effect on others, and I hate you, and you are a horrible person. And you not understanding that you're a horrible person doesn't make you less of a horrible person.
You think I'm pretty?
You're very clever, aren't you? Oh, I can read you like a book now. You thought I was young and easily swayed, that you could make me love you, and I would throw over my country, my duty for you.
That's not the way to look at it, Catherine.
You weren't so wise after all, because you've lost, you hear me? Lost. You guessed wrong in our little duel of wits. You forgot how close hate is to love.
You don't know what you're saying, Catherine.
You never loved me. You knew that I loved you, and you used that.
Catherine, stop talking like a child. We're playing for countries now.
Yes, we are, aren't we? This is a gun in my hand, Rudolph. I'd advise you to be careful what you say.
Well, rather melodramatic, aren't you? Tell me, will I be the 7th notch on the gun or the 8th? Do you mind if I smoke?
Are you a guy or a girl?
You want to do a questionnaire so you can find out? Or do you want to kiss and then figure out how you feel afterwards? Come here, sweet cheeks. Come here, me, I'll kiss. So how do you feel? Do you feel gay or straight?
Well, you could always give me that kiss. That'd be pretty bad.
You're still not my type.
Fine. Enjoy a peanut butter-less life.
Thanks. Enjoy prison.
I will. He was able to hit me 3 more times while you kept me waiting.
Oh, poor baby. Want me to pick up where he left off?
If I kiss you, we'll end up kissing on the couch, and if we end up kissing on the couch, then chances are we'll kiss in the bedroom, and if we kiss in the bedroom, then, you know, that's the part I always rush into, and I just don't think it's a good idea to rush into spending the night together.
I want to spend the night together.
I have no problem with that.
You gotta kiss him to wake him up. What? I'm not gonna kiss you. Dewey can't hear you. He's not awake. Only a kiss will wake him up.
Well, I better get Meg.
Oh, where am I? What?
It would be 100 times easier if we were young again. But
Now I want you to try this with me, okay? Take my hand, and you say something that you love about yourself, and I'll say something that I love about myself. Alright?
I don't see how this is supposed to help.
Oh, just trust me. Okay. How about this? I'll go first. I love my eyes. And now you.
I love my smile, I suppose.
Very good. Alright? I love my sense of style.
Does that count?
Well, I think it does. And now you.
All right. I love my taste in friends. Does that one count?
Why? Well, I suppose it does.
There was nothing I could do to stop her from cutting her beautiful blue hair off.
You're fucking Nate? Are you kidding me? No, I don't even know why she would say that. You're lying.
Sometimes I feel like I'm married to a child.
You better watch who you're calling a child, Lois, because if I'm a child, then you know what that makes you? A pedophile. And I'll be damned if I'm gonna stand here and be lectured by a pervert.
It's hopeless. We should probably give up. But maybe we have one more course of action.
Hang on. Is it what I'm thinking of?
We could show that creature how we wiped out an entire gifted organization overnight and received the title of devastating rivals. Of course, if I don't get to you in time, you might die. I'll leave the decision to you.
Really? You're gonna put the ball in my court? I hate it when you say stuff like that. It always means that I actually don't have a choice.
If your leg get cut off, would it hurt? Duh, how though? Cause your leg got cut off, fool. Where you gonna feel the pain? In your leg. Exactly, bruh. How you gonna feel the pain in your leg if your leg is gone?
You burned my house to the ground! My family's dead! What do I do? I'm gonna find you, motherfucker. I'm gonna find you.
Last night I told you I loved you.
Woke up, blamed it on the vodka. I genuinely thought I was dying, and I could see that smile you were hiding. Last night I told you I need you. That's the last time I drink tequila.
What's the gay version of Tinder?
Grindr.
Grindr. I
mean,
Grindr?
I don't know.
I know my room is a mess Over and over again, I tell myself I'll clean tomorrow. Just move the stuff up off the bed and do what you came here to do. But first, open up a window for me.
I just really hate your face, though I know that won't surprise you. But to me your skin is one giant wart, and your laugh's one big snort, and you sting, so in short, I despise you. You disgrace the human race, 'cause you're more of a mosquito. I would rather have the dentist and drill than the swine in the swill, and if you were a bill, I would veto. And if the world was perfect, you would be gone without a trace. But since the world could never be that great, I'll just hate your stupid face.
You mean you're actually going to kill me?
I mean just that.
Well, go ahead.
I'll do this my own way.
You won't do it. You can't pull the trigger. You can't pull it because you love me. It takes a very brave and a very cold man to do that, Chuya. I don't think you can.
Hey! What do you think you're doing here with her, Chuya? Don't forget that you're mine! What? You go down just like Holy Mary, Mariana, Mary. So, you got a boyfriend?
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
You never told me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know who I'm looking at.
And then he put his hand on my shoulder for a second. He didn't even squeeze it, he just, like, rested his hand on top of my shoulder. And I was just thinking, how could he not hate me? How could this guy not hate me? How could he not? How could he not hate me?
You're gone for 5 years. 5 whole years, and then I get stabbed and you want to come back and you want to drop all this shit on me?
No, I swear I thought I was protecting you.
Protecting me from what? The truth?
No,
Sam,
please, Tara.
Sam, I need you to get the fuck out.
I'm so sorry.
Sam,
Please.
get the fuck out!
What the fuck?
What?
What do you mean what? You just hit me with a fucking table, dude.
Are you actually mad at me right now?
Yes, I'm mad. Why the fuck did you do that?
Dude, it was a fucking accident. I understand why you're so upset right now.
How was that an accident? You literally held it over your head and said, I hate you.
I got angry, okay? Am I fucking forbidden from getting angry now? Is that what you're saying?
Dude, get angry. Just don't hit me with a fucking table next time.
Oh my god, you always do this. You always fucking do.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. But what else?
What else?
Is beauty all that matters to you?
You're beautiful.
Thank you. But what else?
What else?
Is beauty all that matters to you?
So you think that we could work? Here I thought I'd been the dumb one. What? You're forgiving me for all I did wrong. You're unmuting the song, and again I belong to someone. No, you can drop the stupid smirk. Though by now I guess you've earned that. 'Cause no matter how intensely I pout, your stupid face will win out. And I guess it's about time I learned that. And though we go together like a Chanel number 5 and Mace, at least it's not as dull as fitting like a glove. 'Cause you're a nightmare that I've not been dreaming of. But I suppose that when push comes to shove, fine, I love your stupid face.
Bro, this view is insane, man. I love nature. Dude, me, you, and the boys should go and do like a trip out to like Utah. We should go out to Utah, and me and you should go out to Utah and just do like a I don't know, like a road trip or something.
I don't miss you. I miss the thought of what we were.
It started with the wine.
The wine.
The wine. We were shopping for a bottle to bring to her cousin's soiree.
My cousin, the sous chef, she's very gourmet.
I grabbed my favorite Cabernet.
He's got no clue, and so I say, darling, the wine.
The wine?
The wine. They're serving monkfish, so darling, the wine can't be red. How about this Austrian Riesling instead?
Honey, you know I don't like the Riesling. When have you ever seen me drink Riesling?
Never, but can't you listen this once? Red wine and fish, you'll look like a dunce.
Fine, I'll bring the red, you bring the white. That way I'll still get drunk, you'll still be right.
Fine,
fine.
Fine.
Will I be working by myself? It seems time may be running out.
You won't be alone. Chuya will be there to assist you in your mission.
What? Absolutely not! Why in the world would I need to work with that little punk? You wanna run that by me again? I'll beat the shit out of you, kid!
Stop talking like you're older than me. You're still a kid, a very small one at that.
Why,
You really ought to drink more milk. It might help you get bigger.
Lay off about my size, jackass. I'm only 15, I'm still growing!
That's enough from both of you.
What is your favorite drink?
Water with a lemon slice.
What's your favorite food?
Water with a lime slice.
What's your guilty pleasure?
Water with a cucumber slice.
Favorite dessert?
Carrots.
And we talking about age? Look at your face. Don't you know that is a curse directly from God?
I will betray you.
If you do, you will betray yourself at the same time.
Yes, I know. Oh, I hate that man. I hate that man.
You don't...
How I love him. If I betray you, I betray myself. If I betray him, I betray my country. My country is very dear to me.
Dearer than I?
No, not dearer than you.
Well, rather melodramatic, aren't you? Tell me, will I be the 7th notch on the gun or the 8th? Do you mind if I smoke?
Smoke?
I always smoke at the theater. Somehow it enhances the performance.
What did you do? What?
Suck dick on accident.
How the fuck do you suck dick on...
カオルくんが好きだって言ってくれたんだ。僕のこと。初めて人から好きだって言われたんだ。僕に似てたんだ。綾波にも好きだったんだ。
You're making me crazy, really driving me mad. That's alright with me.
when I see y'all.
Oh my god. What did our naive say?
Oh my god, who wrote this?
I'm a big girl, I can handle myself. But if I get lonely, I'ma need your help. Pay attention to me, I don't talk for my health.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else. Baby, I just need to sit for me.
You used to be nice. Or did you never used to be? Oh God. Maybe you never used to be. You do like me.
I don't.
You liked me yesterday.
Oh, did I? Yeah.
I thought you did.
I thought maybe you could love me like you used to. Even though I'm different. But you changed too. Things changed when you left. I changed. I only wanted to help.
Heart to heart. Heart to heart.
I'm a big girl, I can handle myself. But if I get lonely, I'ma need your help. Pay attention to me, I don't talk for my health.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else.
Baby, we can keep it on the low. Let your guard down, ain't nobody got it out. If you with a girl, I know a place we can go.
What kind of girl do you take me for?
Promiscuous girl, whatever you are, I'm all alone, and it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, you already know that I'm all yours. What you waiting for?
Promiscuous girl, you teasing me. You know what I want, and I got what you need.
If one day I lose control, destroy Mondstadt, destroy everything, I rely on you to stop me.
What is the tickle tickle skin?
Glizzy.
That's it. Now you're not getting it for that.
Give me that!
I'm not giving it to you for that.
Oh, you're gonna make me scream loud as fuck.
Yeah, I guess I am. Do it. Get louder, because I'm not giving it to you. Get your cat in the mic. There's nothing in this goddamn planet that'll make me get you that goddamn fucking scream.
Wilbur, you forget yourself. Quackity, you forget where you stand next to me. You are in my shadow. Act like it. Maybe it's not a coincidence that every single idea you've ever had has failed under your guidance. You are a walking second place medal.
Was it the best you ever had?
Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere? This is
more than a sick love story. Without you, I'd bring a shotgun to school, and I will if you want me to. For any reason, I hate that you leave when the lights come on, and if I had it my way, the fucking sun would be gone.
I'm not trying to forget her, just understand how I'll be feeling on that day. It's just like seeing her for the first time again.
It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? The boys are liars. The boys are liars.
The only thing I like about you is your taste in shoes.
Huh? You do?
Yeah, as if.
I didn't think anyone noticed me.
You do swim, do you not?
Oh, I swim pretty girl. Pretty good, pretty good. Good, swim good, pretty good. I swim pretty good.
You're proud of yourselves.
Okay, look. I know you like me. He knows you like me. Everyone knows it. So here's a tip. If you want to kiss me, I might let you.
Humans live with a constant feeling of pain inside of their hearts. But their hearts are sensitive to pain, so it makes living difficult. Their hearts are delicate like glass, yours especially.
You think so?
Yes, you're worthy of my grace.
Your grace?
I'm saying I like you. I really like you. You like me? Wasn't that obvious?
You hit me yesterday because I made you cry. So before we die, I'd like to do something nice. I want to buy you something, but I don't have any money.
Look, Catherine, a shooting star. Did you wish?
Oh, I didn't have time.
And there is something you wish for.
Yes.
What did you wish?
I was wishing that we were two other people. Two people who need not say goodbye.
He said, baby, that's what he called me. I love you.
If all the TV hosts got into a fist fight, who'd win?
Steve Harvey.
You better understand.
You better know it.
Maybe I'll stop by the grocery on the home and get another. Hey. Are you even paying attention to me right now?
Can't remember how to say your name, let alone count all the freckles on your face.
What about you being built like a bus driver?
What about you being built like the bus?
Did he make any spelling mistakes?
No, but he did say who instead of whom.
Call it. I think you'll find its home. Quick, block it before he can respond.
I don't love Michelle. I never loved Michelle. I love you, but you...
Close your eyes and tell me who I sound like. Hello, it's Kermit the Frog here.
Jordan Peters.
You called her a hoe because she said nobody. You're letting on your fragile masculinity show. I mean, oh my, she's just not into you. Doesn't matter how much you act reciprocate. You could buy her a drink, but she doesn't have to reciprocate. If you pay for the date, she doesn't.
If you don't let me suck your dick, I'm gonna kill myself. Take your pants off right now, or I'm gonna pull the trigger.
I am not trying to seduce you. Would you like me to seduce you?
You can just play with yourself. That's fine. I like playing with myself. I play with myself all day long. What?
Thomas, where have you been? I'm in the cabinet. Can you get out? No.
But until you were human, don't forget it and go safely. And I'll live without you, though the struggle will be daily. I get a kick out of you.
Me?
I mean, you just don't come up to a girl and say the humidity is very high for this time of year. Will you marry me?
Well, I just didn't want to get, romantic.
Oh, you just didn't want to get, romantic. What are you saving it for?
Well, I thought we were above that sort of thing.
Oh, well, Henry, maybe you are. I hope I'm not.
Like, you just look mad good. Like, you're mad fine. Hey, thank you. I really appreciate it. Like, why are you single? You need a girlfriend already. Thank you, thank you. So you like me. You want to be together. I ain't never said that. You ain't never hear me say that, so I don't know where you getting that from, because it wasn't for me. Oh, wait, what? I thought, you thought wrong.
Brian? I'm gonna cut my ear off to prevent World War II.
Hey, Mr. White, did you hear about Candace?
Your mother hung herself!
Give me your knife. Why? Oh, wait, I swiped it off you earlier, just in case. God, I hate you.
You look pretty.
What did you say?
I said you look shitty. Good night, Denise.
Shut it, Tom. I only shook your hand because I had to. We will never be friends.
Let's survive this together!
I hope you die.
You think so?
Yes, you're worthy of my grace.
Your grace?
I'm saying I like you. I was thinking...
Accusations!
These are not accusations. This is
false accusations.
And
I got a cool dad. I just stay in my room too long, but I finally got a girlfriend and she's the bomb.
You like it when I bend it over and I arch my back.
crying out loud. This is the worst day I've had in years.
Yo, Dazai, ever heard of Petrus?
The exorbitantly expensive wine?
The night you vanished from the organization, I opened up an 89 bottle in celebration. That's how fed up with you I was.
How sweet. I remember setting a bomb under your car that night.
Wait, that was your doing? You make me sick.
Yeah, well, you're no ray of sunshine either. Only thing I like about you is your taste in shoes.
Huh? You do?
Yeah, as if.
Are you?
Yeah.
No, I'm with Asami.
Yeah, but when you're with her, you're thinking about me, aren't you?
Let's make love. That be the reason that you always say.
Do sort of like it when he's rude to me. Hopefully that's more a psychological defect than a weird sexual thing.
Please, do it for me.
Hit me. I'm serious, I can't feel anything.
So you grab your girls and you grab a couple more, and you all can meet me in the middle of the floor. So the air is thick, it's smelling right.
Stop making me have gay thoughts, Playboy Cardi. I look at men and I feel weird. I feel strange. It makes me want to do things. I don't like that.